Good morning, Namaskar. Welcome to today's news bulletin. Let's dive into the latest news of the February month. This is Twinkle Dheer,
And this is Chandana Kubre.
and you are watching New India Convent High School Chandrapur News Bulletin. Heartfelt farewell. Juniors bid emotional goodbye to SSC and HSC seniors. This week, our school witnessed a poignant and memorable farewell ceremony as the student of class 9 and 11 organized a beautiful blessing ceremony for their outgoing senior from the SSC and HSC batches. The ceremony commenced with a series of heartfelt speeches followed by a truly moving musical performance. A highlight of the event was the beautiful motivational song sung by group of class 9 and 11 students which brought tears to many eyes. The event was smoothly and charmingly anchored by class 9 Tina Biswas and Nidhi Burman and class 11 Khushbu Parmanik and Palak Tiwari who guided the audience through the program with grace and poise. The collective efforts of the class 9th and 11 students and class teachers were evident in every aspect of the ceremony, from the meticulously planned program to the heartfelt expressions of goodwill. The outgoing seniors were visibly touched by the outpouring of love and support, and many expressed their gratitude for the unforgettable send off and the journey of their school life. The farewell ceremony not only marked the end of an era for the graduating students but also served as a testament to the strong bonds of friendship and unity within our school community. We wish them all the best in their future endeavors.
Yes, dear Twinkle Didi, it was a joyous as well as heartful moment. बसंत पंचमी 3 फरवरी को हमारे स्कूल में बसंत पंचमी का उत्सव धूमधाम तथा उत्साहपूर्वक मनाया गया। इस दिन स्कूल के अध्यक्ष और प्रधानाचार्य ने मां सरस्वती की पूजा की। छात्र छात्राओं ने आरती और सरस्वती पूजन कर मां का आभार करने का प्रयास किया। शिक्षिका तृप्ति मैडम ने सरस्वती वंदना प्रस्तुत कर सभी को भाव विभोर कर दिया। सभी छात्र पीले रंग के कपड़े पहने हुए थे जिसमें एक आध्यात्मिक दिव्य वातावरण का निर्माण किया। कक्षा 8वीं की राशि नेताम सरस्वती माता के वेश में थी। उन्होंने एक बहुत ही सकारात्मक दिव्य वातावरण का अनुभव किया। बसंत पंचमी एवं सरस्वती पूजन कार्यक्रम की सफलता हेतु रश्मि चावले मैडम प्रयासरत रही।
Keep in mind, learning to act and drama skills can help students develop their speech, communication, and presentation skills, which are vital skills for anyone. Class second class teacher Vedhi Madam guided her students to present a small skit based on their lesson, The Lion and the Special Soup. Students Arnav Sonpitre as Brer Fox, Nishita Nagarkar as Brer Possum, Ayman Sheikh as Brer Rabbit, Pralay Baidya as Mr. Lion acted and presented all the dialogues fluently, which helped the students of class 2nd to understand the lesson from the textbook very well, visualizing and enjoying it.
Aimed at helping and guiding students achieve their highest percentage goals in HSC, series of lectures on physics, chemistry were arranged by our New India Convent High School and Junior College for HSC appearing students and class 11 students on 4th of February and 6th of February successively. On 4th February, the guest lecturer was Ms. Sadaf Ansari Madam, gold medalist in physics. She inspired and guided the students on how to make preparation for physics exam. On 6th February, consecutively chemistry lecture was arranged. The guest lecturer was Mr. Bassam Ansari Madam. She delivered impactful talks that emphasized harnessing students' potential using relatable motivational stories, Pomodoro technique of studies, and encouraging students to recognize their potential, inspiring them to make incremental changes towards significant progress in marks in exam. Students were patiently and interactively participated in both the seminars, hopefully which will be beneficial for them. Students paid gratitude to principal and vice principal for these arrangements.
Such type of guidance are really necessary for we students, and we are really fortunate that we are getting that guidance here in New India. For the conservation of environment, our Water Security and Geography Eco Club Vasundhara Club in their joint collaboration conducted awareness campaign on 6th February about use of solar energy and rainwater harvesting. To make students practically understand that solar energy is a clean renewable source of energy helping to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and greenhouse gas emissions, students were taken to the school roof terrace to show them solar panel and to explain about the core component of solar panels, converting sunlight directly into electricity through a process called the photovoltaic effect. Almost 100 students, members of Vasundhara Eco Club from Class 8 and Class 9 participated in this campaign. In charge, teacher Ms. Rupali Sonpur and Madam guided the students practically, showing them rainwater harvesting arrangements at school.
It's true, dear Twinkle Didi. Nowadays, it is very important for us to use solar energy for sustainable development, and we learn a lot through this project. At our school, New India Convent High School, handwriting competition week was arranged from 13th February to 20th February for class 1st to class 8. Handwriting competition in all the three languages, English, Hindi and Marathi, were conducted. The objective of this competition was to encourage students to improve their calligraphy skills. The competition was organized in their respective classrooms. Handwriting is an essential skill for students. It is an incredibly important exercise for students to encourage them to develop fine motor skills and confidence. It activates the brain and contributes to reading fluency. It also encourages and recognizes the good handwriting skills. It provides students with an opportunity to develop their competency of legible writing. The response of the students were very encouraging. Majority of the students had put in their foot forward to enhance their writing skill. The winners were rewarded and appreciated by class teacher.
सही है चंदना, अच्छे सुंदर हस्ताक्षर सुनहरे भविष्य के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. Our school celebrated Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti with full enthusiasm. 19th February, a day to honor the life, courage and leadership of one of the greatest warrior. On this great occasion, our pre-primary tiny tots paid floral tribute to Shiv Ba. Standard 5th Kumari Sanskriti Mahabhadivar shared inspiring powerful quotes and songs that reflected Shivaji's vision of Swarajya, justice and unity. Standard 2nd, So Malone and many more students through their speeches tried to spread his legacy and remembering his contribution to history with words that resonated with his enduring spirit. Our history teacher Ms. Sanjana conducted online quiz on life work and message of Shivaji Maharaj. This celebration was a reflection of Shivaji's contribution to Indian history and culture, motivating generations and young students to live this value in their lives.
School celebrated class level reading week from 17th February to 22 February with a vibrant books exhibition exposing students to a diverse array of literature and inspiring a love for reading across grade 1st to standard 8. Also, students reading out storybooks and other literature to the class proficiently and fluently. Event features interactive display of books, fostering a community of avid readers and promoting students to start home library. Most of the contribution and efforts were made by a librarian Miss Rohini Ghate for success of the reading week.
India Convent High School and Junior College organized an exciting robotics exhibition cum competition for students from grade 1st to 8, showcasing innovation and creativity in the field of technology. The event was held on 25th February. It was a resounding success and provided students with a unique opportunity to engage with robotics concept and applications. The exhibition featured an array of robotics models and projects developed by students from various grades. The students demonstrated their understanding of robotics by building and programming robots to perform various tasks like moving forward, moving backward, shaking hand, rotating, cleaning. Through this activity, our students learned various skills like problem solving, creative thinking, teamwork, and engineering skills. The event was made possible by the vision and leadership of Ms. Pranali Madam of Information Technology Department. She provided students with the opportunity to explore and develop skills in robotics. The robotics exhibition and competition was great success, leaving students excited about the future of technology and robotics. Headmistress Vaishali Jenekar Madam and all the parents appreciated participants and teachers for their contribution to making this event a truly enriching experience. Highly praised robots were of Shivam Kale and group, Aditya Samrutwar and group, and also models of tiny tots Adarsh from class 2nd, Chitrang from class 3rd were very creative and appreciated by students and parents.
20 फेब्रुवारी रोजी महान कवी कुसुमाग्रज यांच्या जयंतीनिमित्त राज्यभाषा दिवस म्हणून मराठी दिन साजरा करण्यात आला. मराठी दिन कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन इयत्ता 4थीच्या व 6वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी यशस्वीरित्या पार पाडला. कुमारी समज्ञा आत्राम या विद्यार्थिनीने कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन केले. कुसुमाग्रजांच्या प्रतिमेला विद्यार्थ्यांनी पुष्पहार अर्पित करून श्रद्धांजली दिली. स्वरा कुरनूरकर हिने मराठी दिनाचे महत्त्व समजावून सांगितले. इयत्ता 4थी आणि 6वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी मराठी दिनाचे महत्त्व सांगणारे सुविचार सादर केले. कार्यक्रमाची सांगता जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझ्या या देशभक्तीपर गीताने झाली आणि या गीताने सर्वांना मंत्रमुग्ध केले. कार्यक्रमाच्या यशासाठी मराठी विभागातील शिक्षिका तृप्ती चौधरी मॅडम, माधुरी वडसकर मॅडम आणि वैशाली जनेकर मॅडम यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली परिश्रम घेतले व कार्यक्रम यशस्वीरित्या सादर केला.
National Science Day was celebrated on February 28 at our esteemed Temple of Learning to honor the discovery of the Raman effect by C.V. Raman. This great day encourages us, we students, to take interest in science and promote scientific awareness. The program started with paying floral tributes to the great Indian scientist along with renowned scientist C.V. Raman. Speeches by Shreya Ashri of Standard 8, Sanskriti Mavadiwar of Standard 5 highlighted the contribution of science and society and motivated students to explore and innovate. Quotes, messages based on significance of science were presented by students Rizwan Khan and many more. Some of the students were in get-up of great scientists and they introduced and shared information about the discovery of those great scientists. Science quiz was organized by science teacher Rashmi Chawle madam and Shabana Sheikh madam. All the participant students answered so smartly. It was a neck-to-neck quiz competition displaying the knowledge of students in science. This program was hosted by class 8th students Siddhika Vadai and Ritika Matale energetically, and vote of thanks was proposed by class 8 student Namodi Raipure. Science Day program aimed to inspire young minds like us to pursue scientific advancement for a better future. That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep shining and keep making a difference. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day ahead.